course we will. I know like it's weird. After all this, I'm going to put on weight. Nobody should come and tell me I'm fat. Don't tell me that. In the comment section, I will block you. Okay? Yes, love was a battle that day because we were fighting. And I was determined to win that battle.
I just wanna ooh, baby. Hey, baby. I think I wanna marry you. Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi Lea, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Valentine's Day 2020. I'm telling you guys what my boyfriend basically got for me this Valentine and how I spent the Valentine. Today, the date of recording of this video is actually 15th of February 2020, so it's just a day after Valentine. This is the Saturday, because Val was on a Friday, and I know that some people's Valentines are not over. Like, it has become like a weekend full of celebrating love. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys what I got, but before that, let me just like tell you guys how the day went for me. I was looking forward to Valentine because I know my boyfriend had, was making plans and everything, because I've been bugging him that he's not as romantic as I'd want him to be. You guys, I really love romance. That's just me. I'm a sucker for love and romance and all those girly mushy stuff. So he always finds it hard to keep up with my demands and those dreams that I have. So I was really looking forward to this Val because I knew he was going to try to do something special for me. So actually something now happened and we had a fight a day to Valentine. We had an actual fight, and I'm a drama queen, so at that point I wasn't even thinking about maybe don't let this fight get to you so that you can still get your magical Valentine. I wasn't thinking about that. I was fighting him, so that kind of like affected the flow of vows. So like on the morning of Val, I was having a bad morning. It was a bad morning because of the fight that we had the previous day. I was sulking, he was texting me, and I wasn't even like in the mood to respond and everything. So my morning didn't really start well until at some point I got a call from a delivery guy that he basically wanted to find directions to my house. And that was when I knew that okay, Bobo had planned something for Val and he was having some stuff delivered to me at home, and I thought that was really sweet. So I will show you guys what he sent to me. But basically after I received the Valentine gift from him, through the delivery guy, of course, I got a call from one of his friends. He couldn't call me himself because we were fighting. I wasn't taking his call. So a friend of his just invited me and like, oh, why don't you come over? And I'm like, I don't want to see him. He's like, please come over. And I'm like, because the friend is someone that I actually respect, I went. So when I went, we talked things over and, we kind of like just walked through whatever was happening, and we became cool again. We became buddies again, and that was when he explained to me that he had like a lot of stuff planned out. He had reservations somewhere, blah blah blah, but because most of the day was already gone, the reservation was cancelled. So I kind of felt bad because he basically had a surprise plan, but silly me, I fought him and that part of the Valentine surprise was gone. But he had already booked down an appointment in the spa for us. So went to the spa. I'm going to insert some clips so that you guys can see. That spa is actually a spa that I've gone to severally. I really love their service. That's their name, and you guys check them out. If you guys, I actually do recommend it. If you live in Lagos, if you live in the mainland in Lagos, Nigeria, you should try it. They are affordable and their service is really good, and their staff is really polite and awesome, and I really like their service. I've gone there a couple of times before. So guys, when we got to the spa, we were served, like, those people were basically observing Valentine, so they had like 15% off their services, and then they had like this romantic setup. They had roses in the background, they had chocolate, they had wine, they offered us. It was a spa, but you think we went to some kind of fancy restaurant, like, and we just sat down and ate that before our spa appointment. So we did full body massage. I think the one we did was called the Spanish massage. I don't know why it's called Spanish massage, but I know the woman basically fondled away all the stress that I've built up in this my beautiful body. There's just a lot of pain in my body right now, so I needed that massage, and the massage was so relaxing. But before the massage, Joe, we did a steam bath. Apparently the steam bath is supposed to make you sweat out some toxins in your body, get you relaxed, and I think we did it with some essential oils. She did a mixture of some oils. I think she did lavender, peppermint, and frankincense. Those are the three that I remember her mentioning that she mixed for our steam bath. So after that, then we did the massage. Then after that, we just went and got some nice dinner, and it was fantastic. So I decided I'm going to be opening up the Valentine gift he got me today on camera. I've had a sneak peek of some of them, but I'm just going to be showing you guys. So this is the first gift I got for Valentine. This one was delivered, by the delivery guy that seemed to just not be able to find my house. Guys, this is the cupcakes. Oh, can you see that? It's so cute. I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them here, all of them with different toppings. This one says be mine. Aww. This one says be my Valentine. This one says love is a battle. Yes, love was a battle that day because we were fighting, and I was determined to win that battle. Okay, there's this one that says I love you. Oh, I love you too, baby. I love you. Then there's this one that says happy Valentine's. You guys, do you see why it's impossible for me to lose this weight? Because they keep sending me things like this. This one says kisses. Oh, kisses to you, baby. Okay, so yeah, I have 6 of them here. I'm just going to respect myself and not start eating this right now. It will be unfair to you guys who are watching, because I wish I could send you guys some of this, but I'm sorry. Okay, so the next thing that we have here is this paper bag filled with goodies. It's quite weighty actually, so I'm wondering what is in here. I love you. Oh, just really cute. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I wore red with this red lipstick because I just wanted to I want to be oozing love, Oh, look at that, guys. You guys are going to be seeing this in my video. This will just be somewhere in my background. Like, this is so cute. I've always loved teddy bears. This is going to be like the second teddy bear he's getting for me actually. Okay, so this one says I love you. Yes, I know I'm lovable. Then oh, there's a bottle of wine here. Dorado. Okay, Spanish red wine. Oh, there's a very cute. Oh. This mug is customized. Oh my god, to the awesome's woo. He's the awesome, and he calls me woo. He calls me woo. I know, like it's weird. You guys, don't worry, you meet him one day, then you understand. He's actually kind of weird. He's a weird kind of person, but I love him like that. So this is to the awesome's woo. This is so. Oh my god, I'm just. Nobody should drink from this cup. If not, we're going to fight. This is the cutest thing. Okay. So the next, oh man, chocolate. Do you guys see why? See, after all this, I'm going to put on weight. Nobody should come and tell me I'm fat. Don't tell me that in the comment section. I will block you. Okay? So now these are chocolates. This is like very similar to the ones they gave us at the spa. I know my sisters won't even let me eat this in peace. No problem. Okay, then I think the last thing in here is this. This is a card. Happy Valentine's Day to the one I love. I can't stop loving you because you are part of me. Oh, darling. Aww. Okay, so let me read what this says here. I think this is like what comes in the card, and this one is like what he wrote. So I'll read both of them. First of all, let me read this one. That one says, the love I have for you is real and genuine. Your presence brightens my day. I want to have more of this love, and I promise to nurture this great relationship forever. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, boo. There's like the customized message written here in a pen says, Dumebi, to the one who makes it all worth it. To my Valentine's Day every day. I love you. You guys are blushing. Okay. Oh my god, I'm a typical Pisces. We love love, we love romance. That's just me. I'm sorry, deal with it. Okay, so that's not all. The last parcel here is this one. This is obviously jewelry because it's from All I See Accessories, and this is actually my girl. She sells all this stuff. So obviously he went and bought these things from her for me. And like, how sweet is that, guys? Oh, look at this. Okay, I know my girl doesn't sell this, so I'm guessing he might have bought this somewhere. Okay, this is like really, really cute. This is like African prints. This is a necklace with Ankara, and then we have bangles and earrings. We have these beautiful hoop earrings, the same Ankara, and then we have the chunky bangle. This is like really, really cute. I think I need to do a look with these, guys. Okay, ooh, okay. You guys, let me not even act like I'm surprised. I already opened these ones before. That's why you could see that nylon was tampered with. I already opened this one. I'm not even going to lie. This one is not like, it's not my first time seeing this. It came with the nylon thing that new researchers come with. I already took it off and I wore it that day. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. So like, this is the wristwatch that he got for me, and it was actually a his and hers wristwatch. He has another one. He has his own, the same like package and everything. But I didn't see the point showing you guys his. So guys, I think this is the end of everything that I got for Valentine. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, I got him stuff. I got him stuff. But after seeing what he got for me, I felt ashamed. But no, it wasn't singlet and boxers, if you guys were wondering. Speaking of singlet and boxers, I've been that girl. I've done that before, and I'm sorry, you guys, like girls, we have to do better. Guys can't go out doing all this. They can't go all out doing all this, and we're getting them singlet and boxers. That is so unfair. I've done it before, but I know better. I didn't get singlet and boxers this time though. I think I have to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm pretty excited to open up all these things, and hopefully one day you guys will get to meet him if he plays his cards right, because I know I'm a catch and all that. And you're watching this video, you are a catch. And I hope if you have someone in your life that he treats you good and makes you happy and makes you smile, and always know that it's not always going to be a smooth ride. I mean, we fought a day to Valentine, but look at me all mushy right now. So it's not always going to be a smooth ride, but you guys can always work it out if you love each other and respect each other and genuinely not let pride get in the way. So I think, okay, this is not a relationship advice video. I need to just end this video right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section, how did your vow go? Did you receive any gift? Did you hang out with anybody? Did you share love to family, friends, your loved ones? Did you just sit at home, relax? Or did you even spend the day working? Like, how did your vow day go? Let me know in the comment section, and I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.